Okay guys, so dah try belum exercise yang ni? Have you tried this one? This exercise. There's a lot of shape kat sini. Dah try belum? You boleh guna chat kadang-kadang bunyi tok 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 tu kadang-kadang yang mengganggu. So you can use chat. Kalau tak boleh juga pakai mikrofon. Have you tried this one? Dah try belum? Belum. Okay, tak semua. Alright, memang kalau you tak try tak apa, tapi saya akan jadikan dia sebagai you punya bukti kehadiran for today punya kelas. So I want you to buat some of the exercises yang kat sini and then kena submit through you learn lah nanti. So before we start yang kelas yang akan datang, yang berikutnya, so ada apa-apa soalan tak yang related to this question exercises? Kalau you nak I tunjuk mana-mana bentuk, mana-mana komponen to develop ni, to model it, you boleh beritahu lah yang mana satu nak I tunjuk. Senyap je. Boleh cakap lah, buka lah mikrofon. You can open your microphone. Which one you want I to show you macam mana develop mana-mana komponen kat sini. Kalau tak ada, kita proceed dengan kelas.
Hello doktor.
Yes.
Boleh tunjukkan macam mana nak buat yang slide 4 tu tak?
Slide 4 yang ni. Is it this one?
Slide 4.
Ini slide nombor apa ni? Okay, this one. Which one?
Yang kiri atas.
Kiri atas. This one. Is it this one?
Yes.
Yang ini?
Yes. Yang kiri.
This one? Kan senang.
Ya. Yang apa, sata condong tu.
Alright. Never mind. I tunjuk you. So I make it this one bigger size so that you nampak lah dia punya size clear. Mungkin I just setkan dia sebagai 80. Okay. Boleh nampak kot lah. Kalau nak besarkan lagi 90. Okay. So to model this one, okay, one of your friends mintakan saya tunjuk macam mana nak develop benda ni. Okay. So as I mentioned before this, inside the SolidWorks there is ada three default plane yang you boleh gunakan untuk start you punya mana-mana komponen lah. You nak build up all those component. So in this case, katakanlah I start with this yang ni, this part area sini. Okay, so I start with top plane. Okay, I start dengan top plane and then I start sketch. Alright, so saya akan buat modeling gunakan line. Okay, so I akan buat something like this. Okay, I buat macam ni lah. Dia tak kisahlah macam mana you nak draw kan. Okay, so this is a rough shape of this parts. And then after that, can apply all the dimension. Dimension je adalah this one is apa ni? 684. Okay. And then dia punya height is 50. Okay. And then this one is 15. Okay, this one is 20. sorry, it's the 10. 10 bukan 20, 10. Okay, and then dia punya height from this point up to this 9 is 45. Okay, sampai sini okay kan? And then go to features, you extrude it, extrude with height is 36. Okay, and then for this one dia ada banyak, there's banyak step lah, ya, banyak step yang you boleh gunakan. Never mind, because you punya level masih lagi, ialah kelas baru start minggu lepas kan, so there's certain option that I didn't teach you, so I just use yang you dah belajar je lah. So just use this existing plane ataupun existing face and then you start sketch. Okay, just buat daripada tepi and then space bar, and then you can go tengok daripada normal view. Okay, sampai sini okay tak? Sampai sini okay tak? Please respond, especially yang tadi tanya. Sampai sini okay tak? Okay, alright. So after that, saya nak develop this area yang bahagian belakang ni. So I can use sketch buat line. Okay, sebab saya dah ada line saya dah ada line. Nampak ni saya apa nama? For that. Kejap. Okay, but sekarang ni dia dalam sketch punya mode, so I can start dengan line. Okay, okay, alright, and then saya buat satu line macam ni. Bentuknya macam ni, straight straight sampai atas. Okay, and then you straight line and then finish dekat sini. Okay, and then finish dekat sini. You're gonna close profile, must be close profile. Okay, and then you add all those dimension, which is yang ini is 82, this one is 82, yang ini adalah you boleh buat letak formula 150 minus 84, betul lah, betul, 150 minus 84, dia akan terus calculate for you. And then itu berapa tu, dia punya ni adalah, yang ini adalah 32. So once I apply all the dimension kat sini, dia punya line dah convert into black color. It's a fully defined, nampak ni kat sini bawah ni, fully defined kan. Okay, and then after that I go to features, extrude. Okay, rotate sedikit. So rotate ni, and then yang ini dia punya distance berapa ni, from here to here is 80, and then yang ini ada 15. So apa yang you boleh buat adalah, this one is 15, okay, this one is 15, and then you can use second direction 2, which is yang ini is 80 minus 15. Nampak? Click OK. Right, and then after that you ada satu slanted kat sini. Okay, you boleh potong kat sini. Yang ini apa yang boleh buat adalah you rotate sikit, and then you facing this shape ataupun this face, and then start sketch. Spacebar, normal. Okay, and then you potong lah tu. Can start sketch, you buat line you start from here sampai sini, just draw a rough shape, and then baru you apply the dimension. Dimension is what? Berapa dimension dia? 12 by 21. Yang ni is 21. Yang ni adalah 12. Okay, and then you go to features icon, extruded cut, potong. Ni blind, ambil through all, click OK. See, and then because of this one is symmetrical shape. Okay, yang ni I tak tunjuk lagi kan, but you can use this one, linear pattern. You can mirror, okay, mirror. Okay, you saw your mirror plane. Oh, you punya mirror plane is at the middle, tak ada mirror plane. Tak apa, saya tak tunjuk lagi, nanti. So because of there is no mirror plane, I boleh buat tapi I tak ajar lagi. So tak apa, kita draw je dulu. Apa yang you buat adalah yang ini, right click, edit sketch. Actually you can draw another sketch dekat sini, buat bentuk yang sama. Okay, yang mirror tu sebenarnya boleh buat tapi I tak tunjuk lagi kan before this. So I don't saya KIV dulu benda tu. Okay, and then line ni dengan tekan control and then you select another point over here, and then you can select horizontal so that dia akan inline. Okay, and then you apply another one, yang ini adalah 12. Okay, and then saya click OK, and then I go to button rebuild kat sini. Nampak ni button rebuild, klik rebuild, dan dah siap yang ni. And then you just add the hole over here. So hole tu, as I teach last week, you can use hole wizard. So the diameter is 18, you use the normal hole. Yang ini you setkan kepada 18 position, and then you set this face, just click on a point over there, and then you just apply dia punya dimension from this point up to this edge, ataupun this edge is berapa tu, 12 is it 12? Bukan 40 sampai hujung, 40 tolak 12. So this one is 40 minus 12. You can apply the formula, and then yang ini ada 15. Yang ini sampai sini adalah 15. Okay, so click OK, and then you check on the type, must be through all, and then you click OK. Dah. Ada apa persoalan? Siap. Faham tak? Memang you can replay balik benda ni bila I dah publish dalam YouTube. You can see back. Kalau ada apa pun nak tanya tak pasal benda ni, on these exercises? Ada soalan lain? Ada sir? Apa ni, tak faham? Apa, address ke? Address apa? Okay, ada soalan lain? Ada soalan lain yang ni? Which one you want me to tunjuk macam mana nak develop? Ada soalan lain tak? Tak ada. Ada tak ada? Respon. Alright. Tak ada soalan lain? Tak ada bentuk lain yang you nak I tunjuk? Yang ni ke? Ke boleh buat? Kalau boleh buat, saya proceed yang lain. Tak ada
Tak ada lagi doktor.
Alright, so good. So kita proceed dengan kita punya kelas, which is kita akan masuk lesson 4, modeling a casting or forging. Dia nama casting forging, tapi it's a shape lah, actually you kena buat something like this. Okay, bentuk macam ini. So this exercise ataupun this lesson ni dia akan introduce you option ataupun new features. Okay, new features to model this kind of shape lah. Okay, so kita akan tengok benda ni step by step. Okay, step by step. Make it bigger a bit. Okay, kejap setting dia sikit supaya you guys boleh nampak. Alright, so kita akan buat benda ni So untuk this exercise you can check from lesson 4, nanti boleh tengok buku. And then we start with a center line. Kita akan buat center line on the which plane. You akan buat satu center line. Sekejap by using, kita akan gunakan dia punya unit is in mm, and then by using top plane as your sketch plane, and then we model a center line, satu center line starting from the origin, and then after that going to develop a rectangle shape. Yang ni align kat sini. Okay, before that kita akan apply dynamic mirror, lepas tu you buat line macam ni. So kita nak develop yang ni lah. Alright, so start with new parts. Okay, and then start with top plane, start sketch. Alright, and then you draw center line. Nampak ni center line. This is the center line starting from the origin. One vertical line. Okay, escape. And then after that we apply the dynamic mirror. Okay, dynamic mirror. This one is dynamic mirror ni. Dynamic mirror. So to apply the dynamic mirror, just select the line. Okay, the center line, and then go to go to not here, to sketch entities. Sketch tools. Okay, under the sketch tool there is dynamic mirror. Okay, kat sini dynamic mirror. Under sketch tool, dynamic mirror. So there is indicator that this line is dynamic mirror. Maksudnya every time you draw, dia akan buat mirror features lah. Okay, so I just draw one single line over here. Okay, bring it to the left. Dia akan develop for you another line that mirror to that line. Okay, and then buat sampai sini, and then just finish over here. Escape. Right, so you tengok je dulu. Nanti you akan because this one is recorded. Nanti you boleh buat sendiri nanti dekat rumah. Alright, and then after that apply all the dimension over here. So dimension for this line, ini nampak ni line ni, just type 20, and then this one is 100. Okay, and then kalau you nampak dia dah expand panjang sangat kan, can bring benda ni ke atas, and then you just apply 220 for this line. Yang ni line ni jadikan dia 220. Enter. Okay, and then after that you're going to apply ni extruded boss, ataupun you kena extrudekan dia lah. Extrudekan dia. Okay, in this option we use the mid plane. Okay, kalau you nampak ni ada mid plane, and then we apply the distance is 15 with draft angle. Kat sini you belajar benda-benda baru. So the distance is 15. Okay, and then there is draft angle is 8 degree. Okay, so if you see over here, the line is slanted. Okay, kenapa kena ada draft? Because this component manufactured by using forging ataupun die casting. So bila buat die casting, there is a mold. So kalau you design ataupun you buat satu component using the die casting, you should have this draft angle faces, so that dia akan, bila you nak take out the component from the die ataupun from the mold, dia senanglah keluar. Okay, so that's the function of the draft angle. Okay, and then once I click OK, dia akan develop macam tu lah. Right. Okay, so that's the function of draft angle. Alright, and then after that, saya akan buat dia punya ini, yang ini, diameter 12. Okay, start from the front plane. Okay, diameter 12, start from the front plane. So where is your front plane? This is your front plane, nampak? And then start sketch. Okay, and then if you see over here, the origin is outside from the component yang dah ada kat sini. So just press spacebar and then normal tool. And then I draw one circle over here, starting at the origin. Buat satu circle. And then we know that the size of the circle ni is 12. And then go to features. And then I extrude. Okay, once you extrude it, kena rotate sedikit. Okay, rotate and then zoom out supaya you nampak clearly where is the direction of the inilah yang you nak extrude ni. So it's wrong direction, so can use this one, reverse direction, so that dia akan facing to the component yang ada exist kat sini. So at here, instead of gunakan blind, kita gunakan up to next. Okay, why kena gunakan up to next? Kenapa tak nak? Boleh gunakan blind, tapi kena blind kena lebih lah daripada komponen. Macam tu. Ataupun apabila you boleh gunakan up to next. Okay. Tapi jangan gunakan up to surface. Up to surface. Up to this surface. Kalau kita gunakan up to this surface, if you see over here, there is a gap untuk yang kawasan ni, because of this slanted face. Okay. So jangan gunakan up to surface. You must make sure that you use the up to next. So dia akan cantum dengan komponen kat situ. Okay, and then I click OK. See, this is the component. Okay, alright. Then after that, next one. Okay, I go dengan laju because nanti you boleh refer back from the video. Okay, and then kita akan buat bahagian head section kat sini. Okay, head section. So to draw that head section, saya nak tengok terus dia punya dimension kat sini. Okay, tengok. Okay, tengok betul-betul macam mana saya nak buat on the head section kat sini. You can use this top plane. Okay, gunakan top plane as my sketch plane. Spacebar, normal. Okay, so the origin is located at this area. Okay, so nak develop this shape, senang aja. Go to sketch, buat line. Okay, and then you know that line ni is a bit slanted. And then there is a curve. Okay, jangan tanya macam mana kan, sebab this skill yang ni from line dia jadi curve ni saya dah tunjuk last week. So I hope you ingat lagi sampai sini. And then you buat satu slanted line, another slanted line, and then back, and then you buat satu curve. Must be tangent. Lebih kurang macam tu. And then You make sure that all those line must be tangent. Macam ini ada tangent but not for this one. So you must make sure you apply the tangent. Tekan line and then you press your control key at the mouse at the keyboard and then you select the second entity. So you selected dah dua and then you apply tangent. Same as well for this one. Yang ni tekan control and then select this curve and then you apply tangent. Okay, and then if you see the location of the origin is at the center yang ni. So make sure this point, tekan control, select the origin, jadikan dia sebagai coincident. See, and then this point, control dengan this point ataupun this origin, you jadikan dia sebagai vertical so that dia akan in the straight position. Then only you apply all those dimension, which is yang ini is R16, 16. Ini adalah 13, 13. And then for this 9 up to here is 18, 18. Okay. And then after that, press escape once. Go to features, extrude. Okay, and then you're going to extrude it. Extrude, rotate sikit. Okay, rotate sikit. Okay, and then kita akan extrude dengan size 20. Dia punya draft is 8. Gunakan mid plane. So instead of blind, you use the mid plane. And then this one is 20. Okay, and then dia punya draft angle is 8. And then you click OK. Alright, sampai sini ada apa-apa soalan? Respond please, respond.
Ada doktor.
Alright. Okay, I proceed lagi. Next one, going to develop dia punya undercut. Okay, this one, yang ini. Okay, so there's undercut over here. Kalau you nampak, dia punya shape macam ni lah. Macam ni, dia ada undercut. So the depth is 2 mm. There's undercut 2 mm. So apa yang you boleh buat adalah rotate a bit yang ini. Okay. Right, so I'm select this face become my sketch plane. Sketch plane. Okay, and then I select this face. Yang ni baru yang ini is a new things that you boleh tengok betul-betul. There's offset entity. Offset entity. Just select this face, dia akan offset the edge of this face. So you kena buat letakkan dia reverse and then dia punya ni adalah 2 mm. Offset 2 mm. Okay, see? Click OK. Nampak? So you no need to draw back dia punya ni, dia punya shape. You just gunakan offset punya function. And then after that, go to features, extrude cut. And then you extrude it 2 mm. That. Okay, and then you click OK. Alright, see? Nampak? Senang je kan? And then after that, yang ini, okay, I go forward. Tengok betul you punya shape. Okay, if you see over here, there is a shape of 9 and 12. Okay, just you buat another and undercut over here. Yang ini, and then you start sketch. And then you just draw. Okay, you can see from top view. And then you bring your cursor to locate where you see your origin. So yang pertama ni tak ada masalah lah, because the center point is located at the origin. Okay. And then second one, yang itu size ni adalah R9. So you bring your cursor to the circular edge. Dia akan show you the center point for the curve. By using that point, you buat satu curve that intersect macam itu, intersect each other. Tekan escape sekali. So dia punya curve dia kena intersect, sebab yang ni nampak intersect kan. So that after that baru you buat trim. Yang ni trim. Okay, nampak ni trim. So gunakan trim. Yang ini I gunakan function trim to closest. Yang ni, yang bawah sekali, paling bawah, yang senang. Just click mana-mana line yang you tak nak, you just click and then dia akan potong. See? And then only you apply dia punya dimension. So this one is 12. Yang ini adalah 9. See? And then kita akan potong. Okay, if you see over here, potong banyak. Sekejap. Dia nak measure. Sekejap. Mana ni? Ni. Okay, offset from surface. Yang ni, 5 mm. Meaning that yang ini adalah, okay, I escape once. So I go to features. I want to absolute cut. Okay, absolute cut function. But inside this one, yang ni, instead of gunakan blind, kita gunakan offset from surface. Kan offset from surface ni. Offset from surface. Dengan distance is 5. Daripada mana? Daripada, sorry, instead gunakan offset from surface, ia akan mention which surface from this surface. Letakkan 5 mm kat situ. Okay, so meaning that dia akan buatkan offset plane, dia akan potong, and then up to offset 5 mm from this surface, yang bottom surface ni. And then you click OK. Alright. Sudah, you dah siap kat situ. Okay, and then kita nak apply lubang. Okay, yang ini lubang ini. Okay, 9 mm. Okay, 9 mm. Yang ni gunakan, kalau if you see from the note apa kat sini ni, dia boleh gunakan copy and paste. Okay, contoh. Okay, contohnya adalah, let's say I draw this surface, start sketch. Okay, yang ni gunakan hole biasa. Okay, dia gunakan hole biasa. Gunakan, okay, create a circle hole. Ataupun you boleh gunakan hole lah, hole biasa. Exit saya gunakan features. Under the features, hole wizard. Okay, and then I apply, it's a 9 mm size. 9 mm. This is 9 mm. Okay, and then position. Okay, and then you select this face, and then you just click once kat situ. Tekan escape once, and then you pick on this point and the circular edge, and then you apply the punya relation. It's a concentric punya relation. Okay, and then you click OK. Okay, ni macam ini. Because inside the books dia ada mention pasal copy and paste. You boleh copy and paste. So meaning that yang ini you boleh Control C instead of copy. Okay, and then you can Control V. Select plane. This is the plane. Okay, and then Control V. Okay, and then you can use delete dia punya constraint, so that nanti boleh apply balik. Nampak? Just copy and paste. Okay, and then over here you can right click, you can edit the features on the position, tekan escape once, select this point dengan this origin. Kalau tak boleh susah select origin, you can select the circular edge, you can use the concentric and then click OK. Okay, alright, then after that ada sikit lagi which is the fillet. Okay, fillet size 1mm. Okay, 1mm. Habis tu je, ada lagi masa. Yang ni fillet, there is a fillet over here. Okay, 3mm dekat situ, kat sini, dekat sini 3mm dekat situ, and then you just apply fillet. Mana fillet, okay, 3mm fillet. Okay, dekat sini satu, there is 4 places that you need to apply 3mm fillet. 3, 4. Okay, alright, and then another one is apa ni, okay, and fillet kat situ is 1mm, yang kat situ 2mm. Alright, so another one is 2mm. 2mm dekat mana? Dekat sini. 1, 2. Same for this one. Yang ni 1, 2. Click OK. And then sorry, not 2mm, 1mm. So right click, I edit the features. Instead of 2, change to 1. Click OK. Okay. Okay. Right, and then after that, another one is 2mm. 2mm. Just this one, you just select on the face. So dia akan build up a fillet that connect to features yang lain-lain lah. Feature yang kat sini. Okay. And then last but not least is this one, 1mm. 1mm. Oh, you boleh gunakan ni kalau yang dalam contoh kat sini, since 1mm punya fillet kat sini kan, this one, the 2 end, yang end kat sini, ini adalah 1mm kan, you just can right click, edit the features, and then you can add another edge that you going to apply that 1mm fillet. Yang ni 2. Klik OK. Siap. Okay, ada apa soalan? Okay, so after that, you can save. Go to file and you can save. Okay, you can save it.